Dental 3D Printing Scanner Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global dental 3D printing scanner market size is $1,625.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 9.8% from 2024 to 2031. North America dental 3D printing scanner market size of $650.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Europe dental 3D printing scanner market size of $487.56 million. Asia Pacific dental 3D printing scanner market size of $373.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America dental 3D printing scanner market size of $81.26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.2% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa dental 3D printing scanner market size of $32.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.5% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.